It's currently almost 25 to hurry, happy birthday to you.
Girl, I realize all I need is you. I can never get enough. Say she hung way down. Yeah, always down to have a good time. What they gonna say now? Huh? When the
Let's take this perfect. name is Sinclair for those of you who do not know me. Today is Tuesday, and I am heading out to go for my first lesson for my driver's license. Oh my goodness, I cannot believe that this is finally happening. I just wanted to open this vlog. I just don't want it to come and just start vlogging and taking videos. I don't want you guys wondering what's happening and whatsoever. I am actually gonna be getting a license soon, which is just so scary. I am nervous, I don't want to lie. I am so nervous, but I prayed over it. I think I'll be fine. I'll be just fine. So today is day one. I don't think there'll be much that we're gonna be doing today, but anyways, I'm not that late though. I think it's currently almost 25 to 10 and my appointment is at 10 o'clock. I just need to be out of the house by, because it's just I'm walking. It's a walking distance, so I think 5 minutes before, or probably like get there at 5:02. I don't know, I'll see. I'll see. Let me just finish up. I am carrying this bag. It's kind of cute though, you know. It's big enough to fit everything that I need. Not that everything in here is what I need, but it's able to fit everything that I actually want to carry. So, and also there's my Bible inside here, so that is why I want to carry this bag also. And also I have my learner's license, of which I did it like last year April, but we are finally here. Let me show you guys. Let me see. 2025, 15 of April. I am getting my license, which is so exciting, and I just want to take you guys along with me. So let's go. I told you guys it's a walking distance. I left home at 9:49, and it's literally like 9:55, and I'm looking at the truck. Oh, this makes me so nervous. Sana, I'm so nervous. Let's go. Let's do this. So nervous, so excited. Hi guys, so I am finally back from my first day of driving. Honestly, I don't want to lie, I enjoyed every moment of it. I drove for 30 minutes I think, and I know I don't even look like I just went out. Yes, but I am back, and right now I just want to quickly do the things that I was doing in the morning. That took like for an hour. What time is it now? Yeah, it took an hour, so I just came back just I think 3 minutes ago. I think it's much easier if you are gonna drive a driving school car which has those stickers, you know, just alerting other cars that you are just a learner driver, you know, and that just kind of gives you actually some time to actually learn. I have tried driving with my husband's car, Sana. It was not easy. I was panicking because obviously people are not gonna think I am a learner. So driving that that track actually kind of like made everything easier for me. So I don't want to lie, I enjoyed my first day, and I couldn't vlog. I know I look like someone who never even went out of the house, but I am telling you, I enjoyed every minute of it. And I didn't vlog because it was my first time. I was actually trying to get used to the guy that was actually my instructor. Anyways, it was so nice. It was amazing. Sana, the relief. So anyways, right now I'm just gonna quickly continue with my laundry, and yeah, I guess I'll see you guys some other time, but for now, bye. Good morning, guys. I hope that you're good. Today is day 2 of me getting my license, so I'm going to my second session, of which also I'm just so excited about. I just gotten ready and I'm heading out. I'm not sure if I am gonna be taking videos today. I'll see if I can. If I can, then I'll take a snippet of the video. Yesterday was such an amazing day, and I hope today it is gonna be amazing guest. So yeah, wish me luck, and I'll see you guys when I see you. I'm here, so I'm just waiting for my instructor to come. He's actually at we're at license department, so I'm so excited. Imagine me, oh my goodness. I'm gonna be driving. I'm gonna ask him to take a video of me. That's if he will agree. If not, then we don't have a video. So he's coming. Hey guys, welcome back to another day. I hope that you guys are good. I am so tired. I just came back from the mall. I had a couple of errands that I need to run, of which I'm so excited I did that. I had to go buy my little sister some things for her baby. Guys, I'm officially an aunt. I'm an aunt. I can't believe it. But anyways, my son's birthday is on Monday, so I also needed to get my son some things for his birthday, so I did that. I'm so tired. I just want to quickly eat. I have an appointment at 2 o'clock, which is like in 2 hours. I hope that you guys are good. Here. Anyways, I hope that you guys are good. I am so tired. I just want to eat. There was so much that was happening. I woke up to go to the mall to go get a few stuff. If you do follow me on TikTok, then you definitely know and see how my day went like, because I took a mini vlog for today and I didn't include you guys. So this is me after all the chaos that happened in the morning, but I'm so glad that I made it home, because that way I can just relax before going to my lesson, which I'm so excited about. So anyways, I hope that you guys are good. I am so excited to be back on YouTube. I don't want to lie, this is like get oh I wanted to add avocado, and also I'm having it with a monster turkey. Hurry, please, turkey. I'm so cute, Homer. Yo. So is that? Wait, I have a sauce for these. Here's the sauce. Chicken strips dunked. Kodwa nje mina ngiyithanda le nto le.
This is a paid partnership or a collaboration between me and the airline, but I think
Bye
it's
guys,
just
I think we'll catch up later. Happy birthday, dear Valente. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Melinda. Happy birthday to you. Beep, beep. Hooray.